Welcome to another Fallout hosting tutorial. In this tutorial, we will go over how to enable root access on your Ubuntu install. First thing you need to do is open up PuTTY. Make sure you have your credentials that were sent to you. Enter in your IP and click open. You need to log in as administrator first. Copy your password and paste it into the PuTTY shell. Okay, there are several steps we'll need to take to enable root access. First, we will need to edit a file. You can find this file located in etc/sshd_config. That will be the file that you need. The editor we will be using is called V. But before we do any of this, we need to elevate to root access. So we will type in su root and enter the same password that used for administrator. Now that we have root access, we can now load up that file in V editor. Scroll down until you find the line that says permit root login. We need to change prohibit password to say yes. So we'll press X repeatedly to remove prohibit password. Press A to append. Type in yes. Hit escape. Press Shift Z twice. Now we need to restart SSH service. So type in service SSH restart. And now, if we open up a new session, or in this case, we're actually going to just duplicate the session. We now type in root as the login user, then use our same password. And now you're logged in as root. That is how to enable root access on your server.